Welcome to Wild and Wonderful Enrichment. Today we started our class by identifying Asia on a world map and creating our own version of the map. We added important locations and added them to our map key. We had to practice pronouncing these places and look them up to make sure we were saying them correctly. We also learned about the animals in each region. A Kahoot quiz helped us review everything we learned, and then we took a break, went outside, and came back in to explore and figure out why some animals carry things in their mouths. We compared human hands with dog and cat paws, then did an experiment. First, we completed tasks like stacking things and writing the alphabet with our hands. Then we taped our thumbs down to simulate paws and repeated the task, which was much harder. We also learned that pandas have a special bone in their paws so they can grasp bamboo, and we created that ourselves using forks. We decided that animals without thumbs use their mouths to carry things because it's just too hard without them. It was a fun day of experiments and learning about the world and animal adaptations.